Hello, you're on the Dr. No channel. Thank you very much for your activity and support. At 1850 local time, a collision occurred between metro trains in Beijing. Over 500 people were injured. The cause of the accident was icy tracks due to snowfall on an elevated section of the line. Adverse weather conditions led to emergency braking, resulting in the collision. 515 sought assistance, with 102 diagnosed with fractures. As of December 16, 67 injured remain in hospitals. Residents of mountainous regions were affected by heavy snowfall. Over 30 centimeters of snow fell in central and northern provinces. A warning is issued for a new cold wave and even more snow. Heavy rains caused by tropical Cyclone Jasper resulted in flooding in North Queensland, Australia. In 1 hour, 624 millimeters of rainfall, the second highest daily record in Australia's history. Intense rainfall led to river overflow in southern France. A red danger level is declared in 200 severely affected municipalities. 247 municipalities, a quarter of the department's total, are affected by flooding. Continued rainfall is forecasted. A magnitude 5.8 earthquake struck the south coast of Guatemala. Several government buildings were evacuated. No information is available regarding casualties or damage. A cold wave extends to southern and northern regions of China. Heavy snowfall is forecasted. Roads are closed, and train services are suspended in northeastern provinces. Record low temperatures are expected, particularly in the province of Guizhou. Trees fell, roofs were blown off after a warning from the Meteorology Directorate. Adana experienced heavy rain and a storm, causing damage in the Shilab and Seyhan districts. 20 liters of rain per square meter fell in some areas. Severe rain in Mersin and the city of Chapni in the Chivas province led to flooding, affecting homes and workplaces. A strong earthquake occurred in the Campi Flegrei area near Pozzuoli, Naples. Buildings suffered damage, with debris falling on cars and walls cracking. A 4.4 magnitude aftershock triggered a new seismic wave in the Van Yen district west of Naples. Heavy rains in Maharashtra caused rivers to overflow, leading to widespread flooding. Tens of thousands evacuated, and infrastructure, including roads and bridges, suffered damage. Rainfall disruptions caused power outages, and traffic congestion was reported in several areas of Karachi, Pakistan. A strong tornado struck the village of Bawala in the Fazilka region of Punjab, India. Extensive damage to houses, injuries reported, and residents evacuated to medical colleges and hospitals. The tornado then crossed into Pakistan, causing significant damage in Farragut, Banoil, and Pozzuoli. No casualties reported, but numerous animals were affected. Over 100 dead dolphins found in the Brazilian Amazon. Experts attribute the deaths to record drought and water heating up to 39 degrees Celsius. Rescue efforts underway for surviving dolphins, planned relocation to cooler areas of the Amazon. Severe drought and water heating causing economic losses and ecological impact. Fishing, a major industry, is suffering, leading to pollution of rivers. The situation is exacerbated by the ongoing La Niña phenomenon, resulting in rising temperatures across the planet. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the Dr. No channel.